Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals. I'm here to plan the week of Valentine's Day in my Erin Condren horizontal turned hourly life planner. I'm using these 4 boxes from Scribble Prints Co plus a load of functionals, so just flick through all of this lot. So some of these sheets are the ones that I just pull out from freebies and samplers, and then some are sheets, etc, etc. So I'm using obviously pink and red if you haven't gathered from my flicking, and I have those from my shop which are an oops. This is going to be a sped up and voice-overed video. Oh, my washi from Simply Gilded, just because it's Monday morning, I'm running late, I should be at work, leaving for work soon, and I don't really have time to do anything else, so there's going to be some weird cuts, I'm sure. But anyway, I'm just going to get on with it and hand it over to the voiceover. Okay, so I am like pre-prepping for nights at the point at which I'm recording this voiceover, so if I'm all over the place, I apologise in advance. I also apologise for the videos I've also filmed that may end up with sped up and voiceovered because I literally don't know what I was doing. But anyway, what I've done so far is I've just Tipp-X'd out the dates, and I am popping in my date covers which are from Rose Coloured Days, and my date strips which I made myself. They are my like Fleur date dots but made into time strips basically. Yeah, so I'm just putting those down on every single day. That's all there is to that really. I'm really loving my horizontal turned hourly, it's fabulous. So yeah, this is a bit of a weird night, day, week, that's the word I'm looking for, because I have lots and lots of work. So I worked, it's like Thursday night, the early hours of Friday morning. I don't know how to phrase this when I'm filming this video. So I was at work Monday, Tuesday, I had my interview on Wednesday, been at work and was on call this evening on Thursday, and Friday, Saturday, Sunday I'm on nights, which is why I'm awake at like 1 in the morning recording this voiceover. So yeah, that's why this is a bit of a weird week. But that's fine. So what I'm doing now is I'm just setting up my sidebar. So I popped the full box at the top, then I used a foil overlay that never made it to my shop as like dividers in my sidebar, and then I used my day extender with a red full box on the top, and then 2 ombre heart check boxes in the middle. And then my 3 habit trackers at the bottom. I seem to have too much space and I couldn't work out why, but I just finished off with a header at the bottom as well. Now I'm going through and marking my work shifts and my interview. I was having problems with the washi, hence why I just disappeared off to try and fix it. So I like trying, there you can see me like trying to make sure it doesn't go weird. So that is that. Just I lost some Tipp-X there. Then I'm marking in my night shifts here, so I'll just mark like the beginning and end of my night shifts, because obviously the rest of the night shift is in the bit that is not covered, the 6-7 hours that aren't covered by this. But yeah, so Friday, Saturday, Sunday night, and then I'll mark in my sleep in during the day. Because I had a full box for every day, made life a bit harder, and I'm debating whether to do 4 boxes or whether to start like with actual stuff. So I decided in the end to start with actual stuff and start marking my yoga plus or minus a little thing in the morning / before my night shift. Because what I try and do when I'm on nights is I still eat like dinner at dinner time, like, or tea at tea time, depending where in England you're from. Had not an argument, but I got told off for calling dinner tea today. Tea dinner at work. So anyway, I eat those at normal times, but I do my morning routine when I get up for my night shift. That's the plan, at least. We'll see whether it actually comes to fruition or not. The weirdest day will be tomorrow, because I'll like get up and then go back to bed and then get up again. So yeah, anyway, just marked in my yoga for every single day. Now I'm marking in rangers and guides. I didn't actually go to either, bad Tilly, because I was doing prep for my interview, which, you know, didn't go wonderfully, so we'll see. I don't know, what, that's all I have to say. Anyway, I don't want to go on to that. we will just carry on with the video. So marking ranges, guides and my 2 videos. The scripts are from Handcrafted by Cherie, as are the foil arrows. The truffles are mine. The yoga stickers are all mine, as in the scripts. Then on Monday and Tuesday I'm also just marking in getting stuff ready for my interview, and then reading something for my interview on Tuesday morning. Then Monday morning obviously I filmed this video, so yeah. Marking on Wednesday, that was my grandparents' wedding anniversary. Then I'm going to put in some or all of my full boxes. Who knows at this point? I feel like I was in the middle of a sentence and I've forgotten what it was. I don't know. I will. So just popping in my full boxes. I think I put in all of them soon, maybe? Who knows. I'm going to pull in a nap sticker on a quarter box on Friday. So the plan is to stay up to like 5 or 6 this morning. Then sleep as late as I can, and then have a little nap before work, but we'll see whether that actually happens. So they are just trying to mark in some sleeping. Who knows if it'll actually happen or not. And then I'm popping my double box over Saturday and Sunday, and my final full box on Friday. Now trying to mark in my interview on Wednesday, but didn't really have the space. Then spending some time with my mum, and then I'm going to mark in editing as well, which, to be fair, did happen. And that last little gap will eventually be pack orders, but it wasn't at this moment in time. Then on Thursday I chose my stickers during my on-call shift, which I did indeed do, and then filmed afterwards, which I did indeed do. That's the point of the week I'm at. I don't know how much of the rest of it is going to ring true or not. Just pop in on Friday, sorting out a box, and then just putting in my stickers for sleeping on Saturday and Sunday. And then just popping in a deadline on Friday that is going to happen. I think this must pretty much be it. Oh, I need to mark in my actual night shifts, and this is a train wreck. So on Sunday during my night shift, I'd quite like to plan next week. We'll see what that actually happens. One of my night shift stickers I like completely ripping off. It's not that one, it's the other one. That's why there's not one in the other space, and I will fix it eventually, but it is in the evening. This bit was still filmed in the morning, but the last bit was filmed in the evening. Well, I think we're about to cut to where I switch to evening shortly. So yeah, just putting everything in ready. Trying to fit my boyfriend's work in, and this is where we shift. There we go. We're now, look, change of clothes. I'm wearing pyjamas now. Wearing my dressing gown because I was so cold. I'm not actually in pyjamas. But yeah. So this is now in the evening, and just trying to finish off the spread. So I'm pulling in my full box overlays, and actually I didn't hate the glossy kit because I had clear matte overlays, so the kit actually ended up looking matte. The only problem was on the double box. You'll see eventually that one of the overlays doesn't cover the entire day, so that was a bit annoying. That love is badly foiled, I am aware. It's fine. I use oops from my own shop, so yeah, just rubbing over my overlays at this point, and they do look really pretty, not gonna lie. Forgot to use my foiled hexagons, which are my current favourite stickers, so I used one of them. Don't really know what I'm doing anymore, trying to pull in some more hexagons, because, you know, hexagons are life and they are beautiful. They really are, it's true. Now trying to work out what I should do with my double box, I think that's where I've disappeared off to, trying to work out what I'm doing with my double box and my final overlays. I do eventually decide to put in like dangly hearts on both of them, and I'll pop in it in my washi. So I use the washi, 2 washies I've been using throughout basically. I can't remember whether I end up using the 15 or the 10mm bows, but I was having problems with that washi again, not ripping or ripping when it shouldn't. And then I just popped some off to the side there to save, and then I kind of forgot about it and then didn't use it, so that was dumb. A little bit of a waste, but oh well, I will manage. So I'm going to pull in my February 2020 sticker from my new releases. I do use oops from my shop, so I was just struggling to get that off because it wasn't cut perfectly, but whatevs. And then I decide here, I think, to use the 15mm washi, and we just like rip that nicely there, and then pull off those. I'm really enjoying the ripped washi look at the moment. Then this side I'm just going to cover the entire thing with washi, and that will be pretty much it, I think. Oh, I've still got those last 2 overlays to do, but I think that's pretty much it. I like looking for any differences between this and my current spread. I can't actually see anyway. I haven't really said where stickers from. Oh, I was debating putting in my sister come in, and yeah. There's still like a minute left, and I really don't know what to do other than sort out that 4-box overlay. Marking my boyfriend's work. I hadn't done that yet. I'd sort of started doing it and then ignored it, so. Now there's like 3 minutes left before I switch to future me. I'm so confused. What can I do for 3 minutes? The spread is like done. And I mean, this is like 4 times speed, so 3 minutes is 12 minutes. What the heck am I faffing with for 12 minutes? Evidently moving things a tiny amount to put in stickers. Oh, and trying to start this night shift, which I ruined again. Oh my god, it was such a train wreck. Oh well, I think I might leave it like that, or I might pull out. I don't remember. No, I peel this up and get another night shift sticker, my 3rd one, to go there. And eventually get it to work. Beautiful. Then we pull in the overlays. I put the wrong one on that side, so I then use undo. Come on, undo. There's my table shaking because I opened my drawer. Peel that up because I realise that is like the lower side, so the other one wants to be the one that goes less low, like the overlay covers less. I hope that made sense. I'm going to write everything in. That's what else I have to do. Kind of forgot that was a thing. I'm so used to it being super sped up in my videos and not talking over it. I kind of forgot I had to do that. So yeah. I apologise if this voiceover has literally been all over the place, because I don't know what I'm saying. It's late. I want to sleep, but I need to try and stay up for another 5 hours. So yeah. Enjoy next week's videos, because they will have been filmed in this sleep deprived state. I already filmed next Monday's video and it's a train wreck. It may end up sped up because of how much of a hot mess it was, but we'll see. We'll see how annoyed I get editing it. There we go. There's my final 2 4-box overlays and a little Viv wiggle. And yeah, it looks stunning, doesn't it? Oh, date dots. I'd forgotten they were a thing. I'm just debating what date dots to use. I think I end up using some of my own standard date dots. So these are the Angelina font. I don't think they're actually called that. I think they're just called date dots in the shop. But that is going to be pretty much it. Pop in Valentine's Day, because I forgot it was Valentine's Day. Just like squidge it somewhere random in the end, don't I? Forgot about that. So yeah, that's everything for now, and I will hand you over to future Tilly with the finished spread. Hope you enjoyed it. So here we have the finished spread, Viv wiggle and all. This looks stunning. I'm actually kind of in love with it. So much gold foil. So it is Saturday evening when I'm filming this. I'm about to go to work for my next night shift. So I just thought I'd pop on and show you everything. So the 4 boxes are from Rose Coloured Days. All the bits and pieces are from various shops, and I'm not going to say where they're all from, as in the boxes and stuff, because I don't know for most of them. If I know, I'll point it out. Foil overlays are mine. Washi is simply gilded. Date covers are Rose Coloured Days. Date dots are mine. So if we start here, we have Once More With Love, mine, Coffee Monsters Co, handcrafted by Cherie, Paper and Milk, Planner Face, JD's Crafts, mine, handcrafted by Cherie, who from here on out will be Cherie, Crafty Rat Designs, me. Fox and Cactus, this flag is Strawberry Lime Designs. Cherie, me, Choco and Mimi, me but won't ever be in the shop. Coffee Monsters Co, Fox and Cactus. Crafty Rat Designs, Once More With Love, Diamond Print Designs, Little Thought Store, Planning C, me. This is from Harry Wright Designs. Fox and Cactus, Philo Fabulous. Once More With Love, me. Strawberry Lime Designs, Planner Face, me. Handcrafted by Cherie. Fox and Cactus, Once More With Love, me. Scribble Prints Co. And that's the first side. Helps if I put it the right way up. On the second side, the Valentine's Day is mine. This is Fox and Cactus, me, Papershire, me. I've said most of those. Fox and Cactus, handcrafted by Cherie. Pink Bow Plans, handcrafted by Cherie, handcrafted by Cherie. No, Foctus, ignore me. Talking rubbish there. Jogo and me. Ginger Cat Co. Have It Right Designs. Once More with Love. Fox and Cactus. Whimsical Cat. And Coffee Monsters Co. These header strips are mine but aren't in the shop. This is also mine. These two are Planner Face. The scripts are handcrafted by Cherie. The Monday through Sunday is mine. These full heart checklists are Planner Face. That's it. So they are the two halves of the week. It's been a good week. The interview didn't go as well as I'd have liked, but we will find out how it went. I actually don't mind the glossy full boxes because I've got the matte overlays on them. I think I wouldn't like it with glossy overlays, and this little bit does bother me that is still glossy. But you win some, you lose some. I do like how foiled this is, and I think it's really cute for a Valentine's week. Let me know down below whether you've done anything to celebrate Valentine's Day. We haven't really, but we probably will at some point. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!